Welcome back to Miss Little Hot Kitchen. Miss Little out here today, guys. Want to cook for the elderly. Yeah, so today, guys, I give them some rice and peas and brown stew chicken. Them out no soft today, guys. Them out no soft today, so they not get no soup. And no porridge, them get some rice and peas. For the first time from Miss Little. Yeah, so guys, you have to stay tuned and watch up on this one. Big up Jimmy, one Jimmy Smith TV. And running at the place. So now catch you guys on this adventure. We're out here.
What's up, my people? Good morning to me subscribers and viewers. Wanna say, wanna go on, you know good? Now this morning I want to highlight something where I believe should be highlighted. Yes. Miss Little Kitchen. No, oh you go, Miss Little Hot Kitchen. Yes. I need to highlight Miss Little Hot Kitchen. And the reason why I highlight Miss Little Hot Kitchen, the food look good. Food, boy, smell the food through TV, Miss Little. That food, hey, what do you see you cook some food, eh? And boy, I'm not till like, food pretty. Yeah, man, the food, me get hungry. We go come see you one of them days. I was not say a word. Peace and love. However, me no want to highlight you for your food where you cook. Yeah, man, me not highlight you for your food where you cook. Me I tell you the sun shine this morning. Nice. Miss Little, I want to highlight you for what you do for Mr. George. People, who don't see that? Miss Little, I want to highlight you for what you do for Mr. George and your community. Yeah, man. Me no know how your thing start. Me I watch couple video and me kinda say and but me nah go talk on that because me no know how it start. But what me realize is when me I see you, cause me I watch you long time too, you know. When me I see you around color couple times. And then me subscribe to you. Before me subscribe, me start watch still. And in this video, I may go show a couple clips of Miss Little. She do her thing. And I realize, say, yeah, do some nice things through yourself and your subscribers. Big up Miss Little subscribers, them where I help her to help Mr. George and I help the community because she have a feeding thing in our community too. Hey, people who don't know them or something. Follow Miss Little Hot Kitchen. Learn about where them are do. Because the thing is, them are help people. Them not only, if you notice, them are make them money. And if you notice, them now live like kings and queens and live like them are the richest person on earth. No, they're not that. Them are use the money, some of the money where them are get, them are put it back in their community. So, me have to highlight Miss Little this morning, today. And to each and every one out there where I help Miss Little or I donate to Miss Little thing what she do, where I help Mr. George. Me see she buy a tank the other day. Yeah, man, me see she buy a tank the other day for Mr. George. Me see them going them over there, clean out the house and I set up the thing. Yeah, that is love. That is what we want to see more of. We want to see more. Because remember, you know, them not people. This is something where me think a lot of us, me I put myself in it, you know, because I put myself in everything. A lot of us, me always use the word us. Me not use the word you and you and you. Us. A lot of us no realize, say, these people don't have to spend their money. Do what them do with it. I want people to get that in them head. Them not have to spend their money for help nobody at all. Them not have to give them money to nobody. It's just like when we see other people are do. Them not have to spend their money give nobody. There is two guys in the US there where them do similar things. Let me just start to watch them. I go do a thing from that. But right now, to be honest, you cannot, you cannot just do that and gardening in your pocket. People like those people like Miss Little, Collar Smith, Mr. Bean, Keith Lee. There's another guy, I can't remember his name. Them just give away things. The money where them make off of YouTube and I get from sponsors and I get from people, them just give it to others. And that's where them blessings come from. Yeah, that's where them blessings come from. So to me is we have to take time out to highlight these people to the world. Help people out there to the world know about these people. That these people can get more help for help people, because guess what? Me have this YouTube channel. Me not as big as them. Me is just a small guy. It's a YouTuber, same way. Dep on YouTube, content creator. Sometimes, some days, if and when I get or reach to their point or their path, I want to do the same thing too. I may do the same thing too. Right now, I don't reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, but guess what? I do feed the homeless. Yeah, because I cook. So I feed the homeless every other Tuesday of our feeding program. I start another little thing in a Jamaica there. Now I go talk about it yet. I know to start another one. But at the end of the day, we have to shine the light, spread the word. Sure, when a person do good, not only when the bad come in, everybody jump on it and start to talk about the bad. I like them, man. I like them. I like the Miss Little. I like the colors. I like everybody where I do good. I like them, man. Show them up, because when Miss Little do for our community, I tell you, it's only because Miss Little now is a calm lady, respectful, calm lady. Not saying the rest of people are not calm, but them do things. Everybody do things different. But Miss Little now she's a nice Christian lady who just do her thing and build our community and build our vibes. Yeah. So Miss Little now, she is just like Miss Little. When I see Miss Little, I see my mother. Yeah, man. And Miss Little kind of look like my mother too, Yeah, so me go have to check something, because all of them that Portland, me go have to check, see if Miss Little and my mother are relative. Yes, I go have to check it out. But when you look on it and realize what Miss Little do for Mr. George, and then she cook for our community, that's nice. That is very good. If most of us would have tried to do the same thing in our community, I wish we live, help at least one person who can manage. Like, let's say there's an elder in the community where me need some things to done in our yard. If most of us would have do that, go in my yard and help him clean up something instead of rob him, instead of take him things, instead of, you know, we would have a better world, would have a better life, would have a better time. But no, and so it go. People just always I think negative. But me I highlight Miss Liquor today. Yeah. Miss Liquor me I talk about. Yeah man, Miss Liquor is a breath of fresh air. Because what she a do is very good. And what me like about what Miss Liquor do, she come up to the channel, as she say, color, no give them fish. Color give them, show them off a fish. So she come up to that channel there. Yeah? I don't know if a color make she start or how she start, but that's up to her. And whatever way she start, because everybody have to start somewhere. Everybody have to start somewhere. Remember, when you start your whatever platform, there was 0 followers. There was 0 comment. There was 0 people. It was just you, yourself, and you. Until you have 1, 2, until you have 1,000,000 or 1,000 or a couple hundreds. Because everybody have to start somewhere. When the baby born, the baby did not born and start walk immediately. That baby born, start to kick, start to turn over, start to try to move. Could move until start to crawl, then crawl, then crawl, and then walk. And remember, the first walk is just walk and drop. So what me I try to say is, I like the people them. I like the good of them I do. Talk about the good of them I do before the bad comes around, and then you start to talk about the bad. So I like all the people them where you see are the good. Yeah man, not just wait and beat them down. Just not sit down and wait for them fall. Because you have some people out there now where sit down and wait. Just like, all right, hold on. Just like where you see happen over colors there. Them people out there a long time are waiting. For something happen, for talk about color bad, you know. Yeah. So no make that happen. What Miss Liquor? I like Miss Liquor. Talk about Miss Liquor. Show up Miss Liquor. Make people know Miss Liquor though. Go over to Miss Liquor channel. Like, subscribe, and share our thing. So that other people can help her. So she can help our community. And she can help the elders, because the elders need help. Yeah. In Jamaica, our elders in Jamaica, they need a lot of help. And if you have somebody we're willing to help them, cook some food, so that means them can get a warm meal to eat, or them can get some food for eat. Because them reach a stage where them can't cook. And it's not safe for them to cook, because you never know, them may fall out and, you know, fire. So if you have somebody who can cook the food and them get the food, make that happen, man. Make that happen, because, you know, me go reach out, you know. Me go reach out, because them might do some good things. Yeah, them might do some good things. So me go do a thing just like everybody else, you know, because I just saw the thing work. Teamwork make anything work. Yeah. You ever see a soccer team with one player? You ever see a bird a fly with one wing? No. You nah go see no bird a fly with one wing. And you nah go see no soccer team with one player and think them a go win. So, my people, again, me I run a highlight for Miss Lickle. I talk about Miss Lickle and what Miss Lickle do. Miss Lickle help Mr. George and I feed our community. Enough respect, Miss Lickle. Keep up the good work, and you don't know. As we always say, if you don't have nothing good to say, don't say a word. Just keep that to yourself. Peace. Hold on. If you got to tell you. Like, subscribe, share the thing, comment about the thing. Make we talk, make we hold our vibes. Until next time, see you, you know. Right. Nice, me I tell you, say nice, watch it. Yeah, man. Nice piece of sunshine. Yes, I am. Well, you know, from Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, we're outside. I'm out. Peace and love. Manners and respect. Blessings.
We reach Mr. George, you know. So we get out in little water tank. Yes, sir. And thank you so much, Mr. George.
Guys, wanna stay tuned and watch what I'm going. One Miss Little Kitchen outside, alongside one Jimmy Smith TV. Out we outside, guys.
George, you just awake. You just awake.
You think I mean just kind of drop asleep?
Oh.
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning, Mr. George. How you doing?
Well, give God thanks and give you thanks also.
Yes.
Because you are the angel of God also.
Man.
Yes. I am here trying. I need a light. I know my eyes bad.
Yeah.
But if I have a little light, I will have a little glimpse.
Oh. Well, Mr. George,
You know, man.
here we are now. We carry a tank for you.
To water.
Yes.
Yes, Lord.
You have, let me tell you how we go now.
Me out of-
Yes.
Okay. Well, when I like tell Miss Verna, thanks.
Yes.
And tell her what my name.
Yeah.